Hello YouTubers, this is Jawal Trade. Right now, I'm going to fix this door frame right here. I guess just broke it this thing, and I'm just gonna put this one back together. Just glue it and put nails it, and then put the glue. And the same thing as this one. I just need to patch this thing, and I'm going to put some like wood glue in there, and then I'm going to patch the whole thing, and then after that I'm going to sand it and then uh, uh, paint it, so it's gonna go back the same as just like this. Okay, now we put it back on everything. We just glue it. We put some nail glue, and then yeah, so I just put some nail on there. See the small nails right there, the finishing nails. And then what I'm going to do is to um, put some, the patch, the peeler, wood peeler. I'm gonna put a wood peeler there so they get holes. So that's what I'm going to do. Very good stuff. Dremel. Okay, this is almost done. You just need to repaint and put the whole thing over here, and I put a new uh, doorknob in here, and this is done already too. I just need to paint this thing. Is hard. This is the one they use it to put it on the car. This is the uh, to patch car if you get dent or whatever, and when they get hard, it's like it's a hard surface. It's very hard. So right now it's all good here, so everything is good. It's not like before, it was really bad. So I just need to repaint and more sanding, so I need to sand more, and then it will paint that one, and then it's go back to the same thing again. So yeah. Okay, this is almost done. So that's what you're going to do if you have a, when somebody busted this door like this, you frame the door frame, and that's going to be a lot of work to do. You take it off the whole frame and then replace with a new one. So if it's only small things like this, you can do it yourself. You just need to get all the stuff that you need. See, like this one here, I put it back. It was before, it was broken the whole piece, so I just put it back on. I glue it, and I put some finishing nail in here. You can see those finishing nails right here. So that's what you need to do instead of taking off the whole thing, the whole frame. So it save you more money and save you more work. So that's all thing you need to do. Okay, I'm going to finish this thing, sand a little bit more, and some then I need to primer this thing and then paint it with the same color as this one. Okay, this is done. Put it back on everything with that, right, as it look like right now. It was really bad before. It was busted, so paint it out with white color right there, and this one too right here. Okay, she's good. All right, that's the same right there. Okay. Alright, that's all. When you have a problem where the door was broken, they bring it out instead of replacing the whole thing. That's what you need to do. Just glue it and everything. Put the nail. It's gonna be go the same like whatever's like before. So this is right there. It's a good one. So everything is good. So you can save more money on that. There you go. It's all done. I'm gonna put a new doorknob over here. So that's all the transition that I did on this frame door instead of replacing the whole frame. That's gonna be a lot of work to replace the door frame. You're gonna take it off the whole thing, strip out. So just to save more money and that's only a small problem. She can even fix it. So that's what you need to do. Okay? That's the only thing. You have all your stuff to have your everything, all your materials. So when you do that. Okay? Thank you again for watching. This is Jack Wall Trade. Thank you. Bye bye.